Bonjour à tous. Good morning to all of you. Je m'appelle Himanshu. Comme vous savez, je suis votre professeur de français. Et dans cette vidéo, je vais vous enseigner a question words in French. Ensuite, c'est parti. Where is où? Où? When? Quand? Quand? How? Comment? Comment? Why? Pourquoi? Pourquoi? Who? Qui? Qui? Which? Lequel? Laquelle? The first one is used with masculine nouns and the second one is used with feminine nouns. Where is où est? How much? Combien? Combien? How many? Combien? Combien? What's that? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What's that? Qu'est-ce que c'est? For what it is qu'est-ce que. Now let us try to understand how to use the question words with the help of some sentences. When are you coming home? Quand rentres-tu à la maison? Well, in French, present continuous tense don't exist. So if you are saying when are you coming home, it will give the same meaning when do you come home, because present continuous tense don't exist at all. So let's translate it, when do you come home. Second point, in French there is no translation of do or does. So technically it should be when you come home. Now in when you come home, the verb is come, and in Spanish for come it is rentrer, rentrer, to return. So rentrer could be used as a sense to come or to return. Je rentre, I return. Tu rentres, you return. Elle rentre, he she returns. Nous rentrons, we return. Vous rentrez, you return. Elle rentre, they return. So when you come home, quand rentres-tu à la maison? À la maison means to the home. And rentre is used because, as you can see, with tu, rentre is used when we did the conjugation of the verb rentrer. We could have also written quand vous rentrez. I repeat, either write quand tu rentres, which is an informal expression, tu कब वापिस आता है, and when you use quand vous rentrez, then formal expression आप कब वापिस आते हो. It depends. Quand rentres-tu à la maison or quand rentrez-vous à la maison. How are your friends? Como sont tes amis? Como sont tes amis? So here, how is como and are? Are come from verb être. Now I have perfectly explained about tener and être verb and tener être avoir verbs in my different video. You need to go through and try to understand how do we use the verb être. Être means to be, but it is replaced for words like is, am, are, was, and were. So je suis, I am, tu es, you are, il, elle est, he, she is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, ils, elles sont, they are. So this is the conjugation of être verb, which is an irregular verb. So, como sont tes amis? How are your friends? Sont came from they category. L means they. So, because friends we have said, so it is a plural thing. So that's why we use sont. Como sont tes amis? Why are they sad today? Pourquoi sont-ils tristes aujourd'hui? So saw came the way I explained you. Il came from day. Triste means sad. Aujourd'hui means today. Pourquoi sont-ils tristes aujourd'hui? Pourquoi sont-ils tristes aujourd'hui? Which one is your shirt? Laquelle est ta chemise? Laquelle est ta chemise? Laquelle means which, and est came from être verb, which means is. You can see here. Laquelle est ta means your, chemise means shirt. Laquelle est ta chemise? Where is your father? Où est ton père? Où est ton père? Où means where. A means is. Ton means your. And père means father. So if you are confused why suddenly I changed ta to ton for same word your, well, I will be making a separate video for that. But as of now, you understand when the noun is feminine, then we use ta. In French, shirt is feminine, and when a noun is masculine, father, obviously, and then we will be using ton. But we will do the separate video for that. Who are you? Qui êtes-vous? Qui êtes-vous? Who are you? Or qui es-tu? Qui êtes-vous? A formal expression. आप कौन है? और qui es-tu? Informal expression. तू कौन है? How much money do you want? Combien, how much? D'argent. Argent is money, and with article it is d'argent. The verb is want. So let us fix this at first. Want. In French, want is vouloir. Vouloir. Vouloir, je veux, I want, the conjugation. Tu veux, you want. Il, elle veut, he, she want. Nous voulons, we want. Vous voulez, you want. Ils veulent, elles veulent, they want. Because ENT is always silent in French. That's why it is veulent. Combien d'argent veux-tu? Veux came because with conjugation, veux should be coming after tu, as you can see here. So next is, how many members are there in your family? Combien de membres y a-t-il dans votre famille? Combien de how many members are there? This is an expression. Y-a-t-il means are there. Dans in your is votre. Votre is also used for your. You could have also used ton, ta, the way we used before, but votre is a formal expression, aapki. And ton, ta, which we used in our previous sentences, those were informal expression, teri, famille, family. Combien de membres y a-t-il dans votre famille? What do you want? What qu'est-ce que do does not exist. You is tu and want we just did were. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? What do you want? C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. J'espère que vous avez aimé cette leçon. I hope that you have liked this lesson. Aussi, vous pouvez faire le complet cours de français pour un niveau A1 et aussi pour un niveau A2. Also, you can do the French coaching with me for level A1 and A2. This is my number 980 8 So thank you so much for your time. I will catch you in my next video. Till that time, take care. Ciao. Au revoir.